Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is why do crickets shrimp? These reasons will simply amaze you. Shrimping is an essential part of a cricket's communication repertoires. Although the sound is very common, especially in rural areas. Very few people actually know the reason behind such behavior of this insect. In this article, we shall study this action more closely. Did you know? Crickets were considered to be symbol of good luck and respect in ancient China and Japan. The insects were kept in cages of gold, where people could listen to their melodies shrimping. The name cricket comes from the French word criqueur, which means small cracker. On a calm night, the shrimping of crickets in your yard or garden can be a very soothing sound. However, the same shrimping can send you into a rage if the insect has entered your home and is running your sleep. On the other hand, shrimping is a very important activity in cricket's life cycle. How crickets shrimp? Not all species of crickets can shrimp, and in those species which can, only males are capable of producing such sound. It is a common misconception that crickets use their legs to create a shrimping sound. Actually, they are use their wings to do so. The sides of their wings are grooved in straight texture. They also have a judged edge above the grooves. When these grooves sides of the wings are rubbed against each other, shrimping sound are produced. This action is called stridulation. This music can be produced with either wing, but research shows that most males prefer to use their right wings over the left. Why do crickets shrimp? Crickets are usually heard shrimping at night because they are largely nocturnal, and although you may also hear them during the day, such instances are much rare. The shrimping sound of the cricket is useful to it in many ways. Mating song. Male crickets primarily use their shrimping ability to create mating calls. Loud shrieks from the males at night helps the female to locate them. This is followed by a softer courtship song for after which the mating begins. Finally, after successfully mating, the males will sing another song to keep the female nearby and to keep her from mating with another male. Similar to birds, the male cricket serenades the female, and the best shrimping male usually gets the girl. Studies have shown the female crickets prefer fast and high-pitched screams from younger males rather than the slow, low-pitched scream of older ones. There are around 900 species of crickets. However, the females are able to identify the scream of the males from the same species. Out of all the other males, it is interesting to note that male crickets dig and live in underground shelters with megaphone-like entrance, which magnify and effectively spread the song to further distances. Distincting priorities. Despite the usefulness of meeting and tutorial calls, being so loud comes at a cost. Predators can often home in on the sound and eat the crickets. This is one of the reasons why crickets don't shrimp during the day, to keep predators away at night. Crickets even have developed an amazing ability of ventriloquism. They can make appear as if their shrimp are coming from somewhere else. Cricket can shrimp at frequencies of over 100 decibel, and such sounds can be usually to startle or distract predators. Why do crickets shrimp more at higher temperatures? It has been observed that crickets shrimp faster in warm nights than in cold nights. In fact, it is almost certain to hear cricket calls in the summer, but extremely rare to hear them in winter. But why does this happen? Let's find out. Firstly, it is important to note that crickets are cold-blooded, which means they that get more active in a higher temperature condition. This enables them to rub their wings together more often as the temperature rises. In controlling settings, it was found that for the increase of very crucius, that crickets would shrimp even 7 times more. It is also possible of gauging the approximate temperature by counting the shrimps of these insects with a simple formula. Number of shrimps in 15 seconds plus 37 equals to approximate temperature in a feathery hen. However, this formula is not completely reliable as crickets stop singing in temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, the study to determine the relation of cricket as the temperature was done exclusively on the snow tree cricket. The shrimp of a common flied cricket depends on other factors such as age and successful mating besides the variation in temperature. Shrimping attracts parasites. Shrimping is a major necessity in finding a mate. However, this sound also has a hidden danger. Small parasites feel called Ormia orche are attracted by the sound. The flies place their leaf on the male crickets which burrow into the cricket's body. These leaves feed on the organs for 7 to 10 days before tearing their way out, killing the unfortunate cricket in the process. To counter this, some species of cricket have evolved to grow with grooveless wings which disable a cricket to create any sound. These crickets move around a lot more and use pheromones to locate their mates instead. Other species avoid singing during the fall and singing only during springtime, as the parasite flies are present only during the fall. Even the female crickets are more eager to meet during the spring and hesitate when meeting in the fall in an effort to avoid the parasites. This was some interesting information on the cricket shrimping. These insects are fun